Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can use multiple different ways within PowerPoint to find whatever you're looking for, whether that's an action or you're just trying to get a general question answered. You can do it all within PowerPoint without having to go Google something or use a different AI client. So let's say that we're trying to remember how the heck do we use the Format Painter tool? I don't remember where it is. I don't remember what tab it's under. I don't remember what grouping it's under. What I could do is we can go ahead and start here with the search. So with the search, if I go ahead and type in Format Painter, you can see it actually shows up here under the best action. And if I highlight it, it'll go ahead and tell us what it does. And it'll give us step-by-step on how to actually use the Format Painter tool. So that's really cool, right? So rather than me having to go through and find it, it actually gives us a shortcut just searching for it here. Now, another tool that you can use is actually the built-in help, which pulls in all of the different PowerPoint documentation from Microsoft. So this is another great tool to have. And it's if you're new to PowerPoint, I highly recommend just leaving this open off to the sides. You could just kind of Google stuff, or not Google stuff, but you can search stuff through the help documentation. And the cool part about it is if I go ahead and search Format Painter, it's going to actually tell me where to find it. So it's not going to give us a shortcut per se, like we did under search, but it's going to go ahead and give us some documentation. It's going to tell us where to find it. So through repetition, hopefully we'll remember, okay, I need to go to home, I need to go to clipboard, and then Format Painter is right here. And then same thing as before, it actually will tell us how to use it. And then if we would like to, there's also some related documentation to it here. And another tool that is newer, hopefully by the time you're watching this video, it's just normal to use Copilot within PowerPoint. I know it's been around for a little bit, but I guess I'm a creature of habit because I just tend to have another window open and I use like ChatGPT. But now that I'm entitled to Copilot through my work accounts and even my school account where I teach, I actually am able to use Copilot within Excel and Word and PowerPoint. So that's so much better than having to go to chat, because this way it can actually see, or Copilot is actually able to read through your presentation. So if you want Copilot to make changes for you, it's so much easier than prompting chat and providing screenshots, whereas Copilot can already access everything. So if I go ahead and click on Copilot, it's under the Home tab and under the Copilot grouping. Click on it. You can see actually earlier I just tried to use it and I went ahead and prompted it. How do I use the Format Painter tool? So you can do things with Copilot such as making changes to your presentation, or you could just ask it a general question like this and it'll tell me what it does. It'll also tell me quick steps on how to use it. It'll tell me one time versus multiple use cases. It'll also tell me what it copies and also gave me some tips, and I can continue to prompt it if it didn't give me the answer that I was looking for. So those are 3 different ways that you can actually just stay within PowerPoint to find really any action or ask any question that you have related to Microsoft PowerPoint.